Get ready to have your mind blown as we dive headfirst into the most mind-blowing space missions of the decade. We're talking space tourism, luxury hotels in orbit, and cutting-edge projects that will make you question everything you thought you knew about space exploration. Strap in, because we're about to embark on an interstellar journey that will leave you breathless. Number 5. Space tourism and low-orbit hotel. Space, the final frontier, a realm of endless possibilities waiting to be explored. For decades, space travel has been the domain of astronauts and scientists. But now, a new era is dawning. It all started nearly 20 years ago on April 28, 2001, when American businessman Dennis Tito became the first civilian tourist to visit the International Space Station. His journey marked a pivotal moment in the history of space exploration, paving the way for a new era of space tourism. Since then, companies like Virgin Galactic, founded by Sir Richard Branson in 2004, and Blue Origin, established by Jeff Bezos in 2000, have been leading the charge in making space travel accessible to the public. Virgin Galactic's VSS Unity and Blue Origin's New Shepard are among the most prominent spacecraft designed for suborbital flights, offering passengers a taste of space travel. Space tourism isn't just about luxury and extravagance. It's about experiencing something truly transformative. The sensation of weightlessness, the breathtaking views of Earth from space, and the opportunity to witness the vastness of the universe firsthand are all part of the allure. It was unlike anything I've ever experienced. Seeing the Earth from space changed my perspective on life. It made me appreciate the fragility of our planet and the interconnectedness of all living beings, said a Virgin Galactic private astronaut. And now, the next frontier in space tourism is space hotels. Companies like Orion Span and Axiom Space are developing plans for orbital habitats that will offer guests the chance to live and work in space for extended periods. These space hotels will provide a truly immersive experience, allowing visitors to eat, sleep, and even exercise in a zero-gravity environment. With amenities like panoramic windows for stargazing, state-of-the-art fitness facilities, and gourmet space cuisine, these space hotels promise to redefine luxury travel. But space tourism isn't without its challenges. Safety, environmental impact, and affordability are all important factors that need to be addressed as space tourism continues to grow. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk in 2002, is working on reusable rocket technology to reduce the cost of space travel and make it more sustainable. Space travel is still a dangerous endeavor, and accidents can happen. But with advancements in technology and safety protocols, we're making progress toward ensuring the safety of space tourists, said a space industry expert. Another challenge is space debris. Every launch of a spacecraft generates debris that can stay in orbit for many years, posing a risk to other spacecraft and satellites. Companies like Astroscale are developing solutions to clean up space debris and ensure the long-term sustainability of space travel. Despite these challenges, the future of space tourism is bright. Imagine a future where anyone, regardless of their background or income, can experience the wonders of space, where families can take vacations to the moon, or honeymooners can spend their first days of marriage in orbit around the Earth. Space tourism has the potential to unite humanity in a shared quest for exploration and discovery. It's not just about luxury or adventure, it's about expanding our horizons and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So buckle up and prepare for liftoff, because the age of space tourism has only just begun. Number 4. The Breakthrough Starshot. The Breakthrough Starshot initiative, announced on Tuesday, April 12, 2016, is a groundbreaking $100 million research and engineering program spearheaded by internet investor and science philanthropist Yuri Milner, alongside renowned cosmologist Stephen Hawking. This initiative is dedicated to exploring space and searching for life beyond Earth. It aims to demonstrate the feasibility of light-propelled nanocrafts capable of traveling at 20% of the speed of light, with the ultimate goal of reaching the Alpha Centauri star system, located approximately 437 light-years away, within just over 20 years of their launch. The program is set to be led by Pete Worden, the former director of NASA Ames Research Center, and will benefit from the guidance of a committee comprised of world-class scientists and engineers. Notable figures such as Ann Druyan, Freeman Dyson, Mae Jemison, Avi Loeb, and Pete Worden himself were present during the announcement, emphasizing the significance of this initiative in the field of space exploration. Breakthrough Starshot's ambitious goals are made possible by recent advancements in technology, particularly in the realms of microelectronics and nanotechnology. The program envisions the development of gram-scale nanocrafts composed of two main components: the star chip, which incorporates various essential systems such as cameras, photon thrusters, power supply, and communication equipment, and the light sail, made of ultra-thin and lightweight metamaterials. Central to the success of Breakthrough Starshot is the utilization of a powerful light beamer, capable of propelling the nanocrafts to their target speed. This light beamer, composed of phased arrays of lasers, represents a significant advancement in light beaming technology, with the potential to be scaled up to the 100 gigawatt level. Moreover, the program aims to leverage economies of scale to make space exploration more accessible and cost-effective. The star chip, comparable in cost to an iPhone, can be mass-produced and deployed in large numbers to ensure redundancy and comprehensive coverage. In addition to its primary objective of reaching Alpha Centauri, Breakthrough Starshot also anticipates numerous ancillary benefits, including contributions to solar system exploration, advancements in astronomical observations, and the detection of Earth-crossing asteroids at large distances. As Yuri Milner aptly stated, the human story is one of great leaps, and with Breakthrough Starshot, we are taking the next great leap to the stars. It is projected that the project will launch in 2036, marking the beginning of an unprecedented journey into the depths of space. Number 3. Dragonfly, NASA's mission to Saturn's moon Titan. NASA's Dragonfly rotorcraft lander is poised to explore the richly organic world of Titan, marking our next destination in the solar system. The mission, announced on June 27, 2019, aims to advance the search for the building blocks of life by conducting multiple sorties to sample and examine sites around Saturn's icy moon. Scheduled to launch in 2026 and arrive in 2034, Dragonfly represents a significant leap in planetary exploration. It will be the first time NASA deploys a multi-rotor vehicle for scientific purposes on another celestial body. With its 8 rotors, Dragonfly will function like a large drone, taking advantage of Titan's dense atmosphere, 4 times denser than Earth's, to fly its entire science payload to various locations on the moon's surface. Titan, an analog to the early Earth, offers valuable insights into the origins of life. Over its 2.7-year baseline mission, Dragonfly will explore diverse environments, from organic dunes to the floor of an impact crater, where liquid water and complex organic materials once coexisted. Visiting this mysterious ocean world could revolutionize what we know about life in the universe, said NASA Administrator Jim Bridenstine. Dragonfly's selection of landing sites, guided by 13 years of Cassini data, includes the equatorial Shangri-La dune fields and the Selk impact crater, where evidence of past liquid water and organics has been detected. Thomas Zurbuchen, NASA's Associate Administrator for Science, expressed excitement about Dragonfly's mission to explore Titan's extraordinary environment. With its unique combination of complex organics, energy, and water, Titan presents an unparalleled opportunity to study the origins of life. Led by Principal Investigator Elizabeth Turtle at Johns Hopkins University's Applied Physics Laboratory, Dragonfly joins other flagship missions like New Horizons, Juno, and OSIRIS-REx in expanding our understanding of the cosmos. The New Frontiers program has transformed our understanding of the solar system, said Laurie Glaze, director of NASA's Planetary Science Division. Now we can add Titan to the list of enigmatic worlds NASA will explore. Number 2, Artemis III, NASA's first human mission to the lunar south. Humans have always been drawn to explore, discover, and learn as much as we can about the world and worlds around us. For the benefit of all humanity, NASA and its partners will land the first woman and first person of color on the surface of the moon with Artemis. Following 2 Artemis test missions, Artemis III, currently planned for 2026, will mark humanity's first return to the lunar surface in more than 50 years. This monumental event will pay homage to the historic Apollo 11 mission of 1969, when Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the moon. NASA's Orion spacecraft, named after the mythical hunter, will be the crew's ride to and from Earth and into and out of lunar orbit. Orion is the only spacecraft capable of returning crews to Earth at lunar re-entry velocities. On the successful Artemis I mission, Orion's uniquely designed heat shield was recently tested under these extreme re-entry conditions. 4 astronauts, including renowned astronaut Lee Mohon and Catherine E. Williams, will depart from Launch Pad 39B at Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Atop the Space Launch System, SLS, the only rocket powerful enough to send Orion, its crew, and their supplies to the Moon in a single launch. First, the crew will launch to Earth orbit, where they will perform systems checks and solar panel adjustments on Orion. Then, a powerful push from SLS's interim cryogenic propulsion stage will help Orion perform a translunar injection maneuver, setting its course to the Moon. When both spacecraft have arrived in NRHO, Orion will dock with the Starship human landing system in preparation for the first lunar surface expedition of the 21st century. This historic moment will harken back to the first moon landing in 1969, when Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin made history by stepping foot on the lunar surface. On the Moon, after touchdown, the surface crew's first task will be to ensure all systems are ready for their lunar surface stay. Then they will rest, eat, and recharge for the first full day of the expedition. During their time on the Moon, the astronauts, led by Lee Mohon and Catherine E. Williams, will do scientific work inside Starship and conduct a series of moonwalks, exiting Starship to explore the surface. When their surface expedition is complete, the 2 astronauts will lift off the surface of the Moon and head back to NRHO in Starship to reunite with their crewmates in Orion. Artemis III will be one of the most complex undertakings of engineering and human ingenuity in the history of deep space exploration to date. This mission will usher in a future in which humans consistently access the Moon, and human planetary exploration missions are within reach. Each Artemis mission will increase our knowledge, refine our operations, and prove our technology as we prepare for the first human mission to Mars. Number 1. Humanity's journey to the Red Planet. For decades, NASA has been at the forefront of pushing the boundaries of human achievement, daring to dream the impossible and turn those dreams into reality. The path to Mars is paved with innovation, collaboration, and unwavering determination. NASA's blueprint for this historic voyage encompasses a meticulously choreographed series of steps, each building upon the success of the last to propel us ever closer to our celestial neighbor. Mars represents the next great frontier for humanity, a world ripe with potential and possibility. By embracing our destiny as a multiplanetary species, we ensure the longevity and prosperity of our civilization for generations to come. Yet the journey to Mars is fraught with challenges, from the harsh radiation of deep space to the unforgiving environment of the Martian surface. Every aspect of the mission must be meticulously planned and executed with precision to ensure the safety and success of our astronauts. NASA's roadmap to Mars encompasses a series of critical milestones, each bringing us one step closer to our ultimate destination. From the deployment of advanced spacecraft and habitat modules to the rigorous testing of life support systems and propulsion technologies, every phase of the mission is carefully orchestrated to minimize risk and maximize success. As we set our sights on the Red Planet, we are filled with a sense of wonder and awe at the possibilities that lie ahead. It is a journey that will test the limits of human endurance and push the boundaries of what is possible, but it is also a journey fueled by our collective thirst for discovery and our unwavering spirit of exploration. In a bold move to engage the public and solicit feedback, NASA has unveiled its top objectives for a 30-day, 2-person Mars surface mission. This groundbreaking initiative underscores the agency's commitment to transparency and collaboration as it charts a course towards the Red Planet. At the heart of NASA's vision for the Mars mission is a habitat-like spacecraft designed to ferry crew members to the Red Planet, utilizing a hybrid rocket stage powered by both chemical and electrical propulsion. With 4 astronauts making the arduous journey, 2 will alight on the Martian surface, heralding a new era of human exploration. Our mission to Mars represents the culmination of years of planning, innovation, and collaboration. By leveraging robotic missions to deliver crucial supplies and hardware ahead of our astronauts' arrival, we ensure their safety and success as they embark on this historic voyage, said a NASA official. Through workshops and consultations with partners from around the globe, the agency seeks to harness the collective wisdom and expertise of the international space community in charting the course towards Mars. Excited to learn more about Mars exploration? Watch our video above for an in-depth look at how we're getting there, landing and making Mars our new home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next cosmic adventure. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep looking up.